Students, class 9th. Today I am going to make a video next chapter, current electricity, because your exam is very near. So I am just making a video. This will be helpful for you for your study. So in a current electricity, the first topic is that sources of direct current. First we know that electric current are of two types. Electric current, which is related to electric, that means flowing of charge that makes a current, and it is referred as electric current. We will discuss further. First we know current, which is of two types of sources, that is AC and the other is DC. Sources of current may be two types, that is AC. AC stands for alternating current and DC stands to direct current. Direct current. Alternating current is what? Alternating current when the current magnitude and its direction changes periodically. In a fixed interval of time, the magnitude at every point is changes and become positive, and one direction become negative and another and after some time. So it makes a alternating current. Here the current and here the time. With respect to time, current magnitude changes as well as direction. But in a direct current, there is in a current and the time period, when we draw a graph in a direct current, the current magnitude is same throughout whatever the current magnitude will be same, and here direction is also will be same. There is no changes. Time is passes, but the current magnitude is same as well as direction. That is DC current. So here we have to discuss what is the source of DC. Source of DC direct current is cells. We are using in a torch light, in a small equipment of electronics, we are using a generally cell. Battery, it makes a battery. So cells generally source of DC current. And what is the source of AC current? AC current is in a domestic wiring. जो domestic की wiring होती है हमारे घरों की, जो current जाती है, in the form of AC, and also AC generator. There is a AC generator. Here we have to discuss about the cell. Next topic from in your book, that is about cell. You know very well, when you take any electronic circuit, without the cell, without the power, you can't get the current directly. That is, if you have a conductor, you can't get a current. But when you this conductor, it is connected with this cell, then if we take a torch bulb, यहाँ पर अगर हम torch bulb ले लें या जो भी ले लें, glow, it will be glow. When their circuit will be complete. Without cell current, we can't get a continue current. So we can say cell is, first of all, cell is what? Cell change first is a device which is used to convert chemical energy into kinetic energy. Cell is a device which is convert chemical energy into electrical energy, and when the cell is charged, when the current is drawn, the cell is worked as a chemical energy converted into electrical energy. But whenever cell is used as a when it gets charged, at that moment the electrical energy convert into chemical energy. That makes a battery. We are used as an inverter. You may understand like that. And cell also, we can say कि cell is used to maintain continue flow of current in a circuit. Without cell, we can't get a continue current. Okay. So overall, we can say cell is a device which is used to convert the chemical energy into electrical energy, and which is used to maintain flow of current in any circuit. Now next is what is the construction to make a cell. You know that very well कि to make a cell we need a vessels. There is this vessel we take two rods that known as the electrodes, which is dipped in some liquid, jelly type of liquid, and that liquid which in which the rod is poured, in which the rod is dipped, this liquid is known as electrolyte, and the rod which is known as electrode, one is act as a cathode and one will act as a anode, and this cathode and anode make a electron which used to we can say here in the cell, the chemical which we put in the form of electrolyte, and we take a rod, this chemical energy, when we connected into this electrode connected with the wire and take a bulb here, that will after you will see the bulb will be glow. That means chemical energy change into electrical energy, which is used to maintain the flow of charge. जो charge को flow होने के लिए, because we know that कि without flow of charge we can't get a current. So the cell which is consist of a vessels which containing two rods separately at a some distance, that is known as electrodes, and the in which it is poured, that is the liquid which is known as electrolyte, which having the process of electrolysis phenomena, that makes a cell. Cell is of two types. Cell is of two types, that is one is primary cell and second is secondary cell. Sound okay?